Hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? What do you think is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is a component of the Earth. It includes the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. The hydrosphere covers about 70% of the surface of the Earth and is the home for many plants and animals. The hydrosphere, like the atmosphere, is always in motion. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, discontinuous layer of water at or near Earth's surface. It includes all liquid and frozen surface waters, groundwater held in soil and rock, and atmospheric water vapor. Water is the most abundant substance at the surface of Earth. Why hydrosphere important? The major importance of hydrosphere is that water sustains various life forms and plays an important role in ecosystems and regulating the atmosphere. Hydrosphere covers all water present on the Earth's surface. How do humans affect the hydrosphere? Impact of human activities on the hydrosphere. The activities of modern society are having a severe impact on the hydrologic cycle. Inadvertent and deliberate discharge of petroleum, improper sewage disposal, and thermal pollution also are seriously affecting the quality of the hydrosphere. The structure of hydrosphere. As you can see in the structure of hydrosphere, the saltwater is larger than the freshwater. The saltwater composed of 97.5% of water in the Earth's surface, while the freshwater is only 2.5%. The freshwater is divided into three parts such as lakes and rivers, groundwater, and locked-in glaciers. The lakes and rivers is only 0.3%, while the groundwater is 30.8% and the locked-in glaciers is 68.9%. The water cycle. The water cycle describes how water evaporates from the surface of the Earth, rises into the atmosphere, cools and condenses into rain or snow in clouds, and falls again to the surface as precipitation. The cycling of water in and out of the atmosphere is a significant aspect of the weather patterns on Earth. 7 steps of water cycle. Hence it is quite important to understand and learn the processes of the water cycle. Step 1. Evaporation. The water cycle starts with evaporation. Step 2. Condensation. Step 3. Sublimation. Step 4. Precipitation. Step 5. Transpiration. Step 6. Runoff. Step 7. Infiltration. There are 5 main stages in the water cycle. They are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and transpiration. Let's look at each of these stages. Evaporation. This is when warmth from the sun causes water from oceans, lakes, streams, ice, and soils to rise into the air and turn into water vapor. Types of precipitation. There are many different types of precipitation: rain, snow, hail, and sleet for example, yet they all have a few things in common. They all come from clouds. They are all forms of water that fall from the sky. Water moves through the hydrosphere in a cycle. Water collects in clouds, then falls to Earth in the form of rain or snow. This water collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Then it evaporates into the atmosphere to start the cycle all over again. This is called the water cycle.